And there we go. We are ready to go. Well, hello, everybody. Welcome. Janet Legere here on this beautiful Wednesday morning. The sun is shining here in Calgary. It's absolutely gorgeous out. We had a big rainstorm come in last night. I guess it knocked down a bunch of trees in the south part of the city. Craziness. We get some big winds here. How's everyone doing today? I hope you're all having a great day. We have a great call in store for you. I'm just getting on my feed here to make sure I can. Oh, there it is. Okay. It moved. It wasn't at the top where I was expecting it. All right, so there we are. We're on. All right. I'll try to keep track of that. If any of you there have me live on your phones or something on Facebook, if you can keep track if there's any comments I need to watch. All right, today we have a great call in store for you. I'm going to talk a little bit about CLB Learning and what's required there, but mostly we're going to be taking you to that next level. So we're assuming that you've already been through all the setup at CLB Learning. You've got your capture page set up, your autoresponders set up, your landing page or bridge page is set up. And today we're going to talk about putting a video on that page and about you recording that video. And I'm going to tell you, it's the simplest thing you can even imagine. Okay, really, it is. So if you don't have your system set up already, make sure you log into CLB Learning and get that done because you want to make sure that that is set up. That is really the meat and potatoes of everything you have to do here. You need your funnel set up. So what we're going to be doing today is showing you how to record a video for a landing page and how to create a new landing page to put that video on. I do have a share code for my page, but today I decided to go a little different and actually show you how to take your landing page and turn it into a video landing page. Who's excited? I am. All right. Okay. So before we get started on really recording, I want to give you a few tips. Make sure you have your pen and paper handy. These things are important when you're recording a video. So the first thing you need to do is go shopping. Okay. If you don't already have a selfie stick, you want to get one. So this is a tripod. This is what I recommend. All right. This guy has, as you can see, is a little tripod. It can sit down. My camera can, this is, see, it goes long and tall, however I want to make it. And here's the part for my phone. And here's the one part you want to make sure when you're looking for a selfie stick is that it has one of these, a remote. Okay. And so when I turn that little remote on, now it's going to run my camera. So I'm hands-free. Comes in really handy. Whoops. All right, moving my mouse all over the place here. Bear with me, guys. I have to get back into the room. There we go. Okay, so selfie sticks. You can get them on Amazon for anywhere from 15 to 40 bucks. This one was about $20. It's not available anymore, but there's some on there that are exactly like it. So the first things you want to do is make sure you're going to get set up properly, okay? And don't worry, I know you're wondering, well, what am I going to say? We'll get there. We got to get you ready first, okay? So you're going to get your selfie stick and you're going to put your camera in there. Now I want you to see how my camera is. It's not this way, okay? It's this way. And that's important because this gives you a widescreen video and it plays much better online, okay? On YouTube or anywhere else where you're going to put it. All right, so you're going to have your, so I can't be on Facebook for that. You're going to have your camera set up and you're going to push the camera button. Okay. And you're going to have it. I'm going to turn around here so that you can see yourself. Okay. So you see how you can change your camera. So I can look at the wall, right? I can look around or I can turn it around so it sees me. All right. So that's what you want to do. And then you place your camera, make sure your lighting is good. And guys, take a few minutes, go look in the mirror. I mean, I haven't checked, I did have a shower. Make sure you have a shower, do your hair. Women, you don't have to go crazy, but if you wear makeup, put a little makeup on. If you don't wear makeup, don't worry about it. Brush your teeth, wash your face, put something nice on, meaning, I mean, you don't have to dress up for your video, but you do want to wear something that looks good on video, I guess, but you don't dress up. You don't want to be in your pajamas unless that's your thing. If you're going to make that your thing, people do that. Now, the other thing, another little tip, when you're recording, okay, you want to have your camera up high. Whoops. All right, camera, come on. Up high and pointed down. All right. Little tip for you there. Because if it's up high and pointed down, it it's more flattering, shall we say? You know, most of us are not 20. And all I know is I watched a video once, and that's what, you know, when they were talking about it, is that if you have it up and pointed a little bit down, it is definitely more flattering, gives a better view. All right, so you're going to want to, I'm going to try to set this up so that I can see my script. We'll get to the script in a moment. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your camera is set up. Okay, so I'm not really going to be able to see my script. I'm going to have to wing it. Oh my gosh. We'll talk about that too. Okay, I think that's okay. All right, so this is what you want to do. Get your camera set up. Now, remember, guys, okay, here's the big thing. If you're afraid of doing this, like whack, okay? Because the truth is, I'm in my office all by myself. I have my camera up on video, right? It's ready to take a video, I think, if I got it. No, there we go. Make sure you push the video. It was just on camera. Now I got to set up a little higher because it's a little different when it's on video. All right. The other thing you need to make sure you're doing is that you look at the camera. All right. I don't know if you realize that, but if you look at the middle of your phone, that's not the camera. So you actually have to look a little bit where your camera is, which is to the left, right? You get the little dot there, that's where your camera is. So make sure you're looking at your camera. You're going to test it a bit. You might even want to, you know, I can take and my thing is hooked up now, and I could just push the button and just look at this and go, this is a test video. I'm just testing the sound. Do you think you can do that, guys? So here's the secret about recording a video for your landing page or for anything you want to do. Nobody is going to see this video until I upload it to YouTube. So I can play with my videos all I want. So I'm going to show you how I set it up. Okay, so here's my video. See how it is? My phone is muted, but see, I'm just doing a test. Let's do it again. So you can see where I'm set up, kind of in the middle of my camera, right? And there it is. Sound is not, I'm not getting any sound. Oh, that's why. All right. There it is. Still no sound, but that's okay. It may have caught it. This is a test video. I'm just testing the sound. There we go. So the sound is fine. The picture looks okay. I'm all right with that. So I'm going to put my camera, whoops, back up in my thing. I'm ready now, okay? I'm ready. Oh, stop. Yes, I think I'm ready. Okay, but I don't need to do anything right now. So we're all ready. We're dressed for success. Now we need our script. So I do have a script for you guys, and I have a script that I've written for myself. So I'm going to come here. This should work. And I'm going to paste it into the text area here. I will include it on the replay. Okay, I'll put the script on the replay. But what I really recommend you guys do is think about it yourself. Think about what you want to say. And I'm just going to mute you there, Louis. And write your own script. Just speak from the heart. Just practice, 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 practice. All right. So this script is very simple. It kind of says, hello and welcome. My name is whatever your name is, and I'm excited to invite you to explore the CLB Learning System with Janet Legere. Janet put together everything you need to do to start building your list and make money online. You can join for free and get access to all the training provided to our members. You'll find all my contact info below, so please reach out to me and let's do this together, okay? Go ahead and click the link below to get your free account today. I look forward to connecting soon. Now, I kind of went and changed it. And what I did, because I like my script to be big so that I can see it, is I put it into a Word document. And I know you can't see this, you know, we're going to come back here. I'm going to go into desktop sharing so that I can share some of this with you, what I'm doing. Right. All right, so here's my little script that I have in a text file. And that's where you want to start. Write up your script, figure out what you want to say. My script is okay, but it may not be how you would speak or what you'd want to say. In fact, I changed it for me. So I took the script and I copied it into a Word document, as you can see here, so that it's big, so that I can see it, I can read it. Now, if I was doing this on my own, like not doing it for the webinar, I would have it. It's just hard with my computer. I am gonna try this and put my camera behind. I think that's gonna work. Yes, it is. Okay. So now my camera is right here, so I can, look at my script and look up if I need to look at my script. And this is where the magic really happens. This is where we practice, practice, practice. So here's the script that I wrote for myself. Hello and welcome. My name is Janet Legere, and I am excited to introduce you to the CLB Learning System. I put together everything you need to do to build your list and start making money online. You can join for free and get access to all the training provided to our members. Please reach out to me. You'll find all my contact information below. Go ahead now and click the link below to get your free account. Oh, and remember to confirm your email address. You don't want to miss any of my great tips. See you soon. So I haven't done this script for a very long time. So basically what we're saying hello. We're introducing ourselves. We're telling them that we're excited to introduce them to the CLB Learning System. We're letting them know that everything is there available for them to get started building their list and making money online. And they can join for free and get access to everything in the members area. So reach out to me. All my contact information is below because that's important. We want them to know that we want to connect with them. All right. Go ahead now and click the link below to get your free account. And then I like to say, because on our page it says, make sure you confirm your email address, right? Because they have to confirm their email address to get active on your list. So, and remember to confirm your email address. You don't want to miss any of my great tips. All right. So that's something that you want to add. I'll just say it again. And this is what you want to do. You just want to practice, practice. You want to have your camera there. So now I'm going to get more like I'm actually going to record. Okay. So hello, I'm not recording right now. I'm just going to practice. Okay. I haven't pushed a button. All right. Silly camera. Haven't pushed any buttons. It's ready to go. I can see myself. Okay. So I'm just going to say something. Now, maybe, you know what? Sometimes my practice web video is the best video. So always push the record button because you just never know. Hello and welcome. My name is Janet Legere, and I'm excited to introduce you to the CLB Learning System. I've put together everything you need to do to build your list and start making money online. You can join for free and get access to everything inside our members area. So don't be shy. Go ahead and get your free account today. And remember to connect with me. All of my details are below. I want to reach out to you and help you get started as soon as possible. Oh, and one more thing. Make sure you confirm your email address. You don't want to miss any of my great tips. I'll see you soon. Go ahead, get signed up now. Well, that wasn't too bad, was it? What do you think? That was, yeah. Let's see. Let's just play that back. Hopefully you guys will be able to hear it. To introduce you to the CLB Learning System. I put together everything you need to do to build your list and start making money online. So you can see I'm looking at the camera. Free and get access to everything inside our members area. So don't be shy. Go ahead and get your free account today. And remember to connect with me. All of my details are below. I want to reach out to you and help you get started as soon as possible. Oh, and one more thing. Make sure you confirm your email address. You don't want to miss any of my great tips. I'll see you soon. Go ahead, get signed up now. Not bad. I think we're going to keep that. See what I mean? Always push the record button. All right. So we've pushed the record button. We've recorded our video. Oh, now the fun begins, right? So I'm just going to come out of sharing is we're going to go. So the first thing I need to do, I am going to come out of sharing so that you can watch me here, is now that my video is done. All right, so I've got my video there. I can click the share button. And all right, what is going on here? All right, I want to share share it. And when I do that, it comes up. There you go. Okay. Gives me options to share. So I'm looking for, where's my YouTube? There it is. All right. So see the YouTube icon? There it is. So I'm going to click on YouTube. Create a title. All right. Welcome to CLB Learning. So I'm whoops. So I'm just gave it a quick title and I'm going to upload it. Okay, so there it goes. It's going to take about 7 seconds to get up there. And then we're going to go back into, now it's processing. It shouldn't take long because it's a very short video. So we're going to go back into, so you saw how I did that, right? That was pretty simple. We just, Bing, I uploaded it to my YouTube account and it goes up there and gets processed fairly quickly. All right, so here we are. We're in desktop sharing. I'm going to head over to YouTube. So here I am on YouTube and I'm on my channel. I want my videos. And my video is ready. So we just have to wait for it to come up. Come on, video. All right, and there we are. Welcome to CLB Learning. It's not showing my video. Oh, it's checking for restrictions for some reason. It's published. It's almost ready. All right, but I think if I click this, it'll come up for me. All right, so it looks like it is ready to go. All right, so there's the video. So what I wanted,
Your sound cut off?
my sound cut off. Okay, am I back on, guys? Hopefully.
You are.
All right, good. All right, didn't like me playing the video, I think. All right, so my video is up here, and I'm gonna go here to share. Okay, so here's my video. I'm gonna click share, and I want to embed it because this is what I need for my page. All right, so I'm gonna copy that because I know I don't need to copy anything else. So I'm gonna copy. I just click the copy button. And we can come back here. Now we're going to have some fun. So we've recorded our video. That didn't take us too long. Didn't take us long at all. We were lucky. Now remember, guys, remember when you're doing your video, practice, 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 practice. You could do 100 videos if you need to. You won't need to because as you start doing them, it's going to get easier and easier. I'm just going to YouTube. There we go. All right. Okay, so here we are. We're going to come back over to our page manager now, and I'm going to show you how to create a landing page with a video on it without using a share code. Well, actually, you're going to use your own share code. So you're going to log into Leads Leap. You're going to come down to the page manager here, bring up the page manager. You're going to look for your CLB landing page. And here you see it says code. You're going to click on that and that gives you the share code for this page. So I'm going to click that and we're going to go up here and we're going to add a new campaign and we're going to call it CLB video landing page. Okay, add now. And then we're add a new page design to start and we're going to enter that share code and we're going to import that page. And so here is our regular page. So we're going to launch the editor. This is our regular landing page. So this is the one that you created when you set up your CLB system, okay? So what we want to do is create, I just want to get my, I wanted to show you one with the video. There we are. So here's the page that I created with my video. All right, so you can see it's a little different than this, right? We got the video in the middle and a text down here, but everything at the bottom is the same. Okay, everything at the bottom is the same. So what we need to do is change this area here. So the first thing you're going to do, you might want to write this down, is you're going to delete that picture. We're just going to come over here, we're going to click that delete button. And then we're going to move this text so it's more in the middle. Okay. And this text, we need to move down. So see this little red, the two lines there, that lets us go up and down. So I'm just going to move this down. I'm going to bring this down here. I'm probably going to need to move them again. All right. And I took this line and I made it bigger. See how I can move these boxes? I can edit them. All right, move that down there. I need room in here, room, but like I said, I can move everything after. Right, we're almost there. So then I'm going to come up here. So this is all I've done is move the text. Hopefully you saw that wasn't hard. Okay, I deleted my picture and I moved the text. Now I want to insert a video. So I'm going to come up here. I'm going to add a new element and I'm going to go to this one here. This is add a custom code. Right, so see how we go all over here? So it's this one here that looks like the HTML. Use this to add video, banner, whatever. So we're going to click on that. I want to put it right in the middle and it's going to be a video. So it's going to be here. I'm going to click YouTube and it brings up a placer. All right. So now I can see exactly where my video is going to fit. So I can come down and move these boxes. There we go. Okay. You could, if you wanted, not to confuse you, you could put the text above, but I like it below because we want them to watch the video. All right, so now we need to put our video here. So I'm going to click on the video and you see the YouTube there. I'm going to copy that and then I'm going to paste my video. Oh, wrong one. Why we left it here. So we're going to share. Remember, we're going to click embed and we're going to copy this. And then we're going to come back to our page. And right here's our, whoa, did I delete it? It looks like I did. All right, I need to add my video again. I'm not sure what happened there. My video disappeared. So I'm going to add a video right here. I'm going to put YouTube and I'm going to grab their code and put mine. It didn't put my code. Copy. Be back and forth, guys. Don't ever get discouraged. All right, in there. Select it all. Paste. There we go. And now we have my video. Look at that. And I can play it in here. I can play it once I save it. And that's it. That's all I have to do. Everything else stays the same. So all I did was delete the picture, move my text down. Now I can move this box back up a bit. All right. I could even make this bigger if I wanted to. Make this box, oh, come on, box. There we go. I can make it bigger. And I can make the text. If I click on this, it's got my button here. I can make my button text bigger right here. See, there we go. There we go. Now that gives them something to, I could even make that bounce if I wanted to make it have an activity. Here's animation. I could animate it. We could have it beat like a heartbeat. Look at that. All right, normal. We can have it repeat 3 times or infinitely. You know, I can have it infinite. So I can come down here, repeat infinitely, no delay. I can have it 1 or 2 seconds. There we go. And then when I'm done fiddling around, I'm just going to click save. All right, we're almost done. Now, you can do one of two things here. If you want to do like split testing, if you want to have two different capture pages, one that goes to the regular static page, one that goes to the video page, you can do that. But for this one, I'm just going to show you how to change. All right, so we've already saved it. So let me save it again just so I make sure. So we're going to come back over to here, and you would come down to your CLB capture page that you created, and you would edit that. Because when you created this capture page, you sent it to your landing page. All right. So we go over here to your list. We go to send Steed. And right here we are, redirect URL. So instead of going to our normal one, I'm going to go get page. And there's my new video landing page. And I can use this. Okay. Now I'm not going to change this. Well, I can. All right. Let me change it because I can always change it back. Oh, there you go. Use this. Okay. Use this. And then I need to save. So now, all right, it's all saved. We're going to come over here to our page and we are going to load this page. Oh, that's the one I changed. Okay. We have two different pages. I pushed too many buttons. There we go. Let's try this again. Right. Yes. Tell me more. And it should go and redirect to our video page. Oh, one more step. Yeah. Oh, look, there's a video. And then we click play and listen to me. Yeah, I'll just pause that because I know it doesn't play on the video. But that's it. That's all we had to do. How cool was that? So now people are going to see a video of you instead of just a picture. All right. So let's look at this again. All right. Here's the video page, and here's again the video page and our regular landing page. So that right here. All right. So here's the regular landing page, and here's the video landing page. Okay, so you see how all we did was remove the picture, reformat the text, and add the video. Now, if you want, I will right now, since we just did this, and I will leave this page up here with the video. I am going to be very nice to you, and I'm going to grab this code right here, and I'm going to come paste it in the room. All right, so I'm going to stop sharing. We're going to come back in the room where we're live. Hello, everybody. All right. I'm just going to paste it. Here is the video landing page share code. There you go. All right. So if you just want to use my share code, go ahead. But you know what? It's always good to know how your technology works. So you guys are welcome to unmute yourselves. I can't believe it's like a half hour is all it took us to do that. And I didn't even really practice that script, although, I mean, I should know what I want to say about CLB, right? But you can see how simple it was, how we didn't make it complicated. So let's go over the process again. All right. The first thing you want to do is get your script, write your script. Whether you use that script exactly as it is or not is irrelevant. The script is just there to get you going. And the more you read it, so what I recommend is you print it off even, and have it sitting right in front of your camera and just read it. In fact, the first few times, just read it. Read it and then try to read it without looking at it, and then just try to talk. Just, what is it that you're trying to say, and just say it. Now, you notice that my video is only 36 seconds long. It's perfect. You want to keep it under a minute. Don't get chatty. That's not what this is about. If you want to do that, you can redirect them to another page where you can give them or you could do another video below that gives them a detailed overview of CLB Learning or something like that. Does that make sense to you guys? You guys are all muted. I'm going to unmute you all. There we go. Unmute. I just asked you all to unmute. So I just want to know if that helped. Like that was a lot to cover. And, some of the tips, again, I want to go over. Make sure, practice, practice, practice. Remember, nobody sees your video until you put it somewhere. Okay? You would never see that video unless I upload it to YouTube and put it somewhere. Even if, I mean, if it's on YouTube, people can go find it if they know where to find me, but you know what I'm saying, okay? So nobody's going to see your video. You could record 1,000 videos and delete them, whatever you want to do, but get comfortable talking to your camera like it's a person. Doesn't that sound weird? You or was another way to think about it, talk to your camera like it's just the wall, like you're just talking. It's you, whatever you need to do to get comfortable speaking in front of the camera so that you're just not nervous, I guess. I mean that sometimes takes a little bit of time. And don't be too critical of yourself, honestly. You're not gonna have perfect. You'll see that video was not perfect. I would probably redo it. However, it's perfect for what we're doing here. It will work, and it's short. It's only 36 seconds. People are likely to click on it and listen to what you have to say. They've got 36 seconds to listen to you and to hear your voice and to see that there's a real person there. That's a big deal. It's one thing to see your picture, but to actually see you on video and see you speaking. And guys and girls, don't worry about how you think you look. Okay, y'all look great. I always tell people, if you're worried about being on video, what you're going to look like to the general public, just think about when you go to the grocery store or any store, you go shopping, you go out in public, right? You do go out in public once in a while. Okay, who's that? That someone has to go somewhere. Thank you for being here. I think that was Vicky. Okay, Vicky, good luck with your CT scan. Hope everything goes well. Um, what was I talking about? That perfection is irrelevant, and you're. I mean, really, if you go out in public, and I mean, I hope y'all do once in a while, right?
Yeah.
So think about that you're just going out in public and you look fine. I mean, if you can go out in public, you can go on video. It's just about being who you are. People are not, well, maybe people be judgy. Who cares? They're judgy anyway. The thing is that you're going to attract people who are going to come into your business. They're going to be excited to connect with you. And as soon as you start putting a video landing page out there, you're going to start seeing higher results, higher conversions. You can even consider putting a short video on your capture page, but I don't think that's quite as effective. We just want them to, most people just want to fill out a form and get going. It is a good way to think about it, isn't it, Betty? Because it's true. It's true. If you go out in public, you're fine on your video. You're fine. I mean, I I gotta tell, I mean, I'm not up and I'm up very early in the morning, like 5 o'clock in the morning, but I'm not up and dressed and ready to go and ready, certainly not up and ready to be on camera. And my cousin who lives out in Ontario always calls me on Facebook at, 7 o'clock in the morning and some ungodly hours. I gave up. I said, well, you take me as I am. Here I am, right? Now, I wouldn't necessarily go on video on, line live like that, but it just however you would go out in public, you're fine on video. Just think about that and stop worrying about it, and don't be too critical of yourself. And when you're so some things to look for when you're doing your video, when you're watching your video, okay, so these are things to look for, that you're looking at the camera. So you see, when you watched my video, I was looking at the camera, so it looked like I was looking at you, and that's what you want to look at when you watch your video replay. Listen to what you're saying. How does it sound? Is it chopped up? Do you sound like, oh, are you umming and ahhing a lot? Maybe is it too long? Maybe you need to shorten it up a little bit. Just say it in fewer words so it's less words to talk about. Think about those things, and you get to do all that before you put it on YouTube. Remember that, okay? So you got lots of time to play a video, like a 30-second video. Come on, guys. And then you can watch it and go, yeah, no, that's not going to work. I'll do it again. And after a while, it gets really simple. And actually, after a while, you start feeling better about what you're saying as well. You feel more comfortable about what you're saying. So practice what you're saying, practice what you're going to say, talk to the wall, talk to your cat, talk to your dog, talk to your camera. All right. Remember, widescreen, always widescreen, and get yourself a stick. I mean, this thing is a lifesaver. When we have all our family together over the next few days with my birthday celebrations, this little puppy's going to come in really handy for our group photos. You guys have probably always seen my group photos my family photos I put online. That's how I do it, is with my selfie stick. But it works great because we can all sit there and I can just go click, 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 click when they don't even know it. Catch them when they're not looking. Click, click, click. Get those candid moments. Well, you guys have been awesome. Do you edit? No, I don't really know how to edit videos, to be honest with you. Not in a big way. I don't edit them. I want it to just be me. So when people come to my page and they see my video on my landing page, I want them to see me. This is who I am. This is what you want to do is you want them to meet the real you, because the whole point of this, because you're inviting them to connect with you and you hope they do. So if they connect with you on, Telegram, Facebook Messenger, on your cell phone, however they connect with you, you get on the phone, start talking with them, and you don't sound anything like that video, they're going to wonder who you are. So you guys got to be real. You just want to be yourself. I mean, it's a little different when you're speaking like that, because you're on a video and you're talking to them, but you know what I'm saying, right? It's not going to be perfect. You don't want to edit it. You certainly don't want to like doll yourself up for the video if you don't ever doll yourself up. Like, just be yourself. Be who you are when you go out for lunch, or just you go out for groceries, whatever. I mean, I've seen some people dress strangely when they go for groceries, but to each their own. However you're comfortable, because that's what people are going to see. They're going to see someone amazing that they want to connect with, right? You'll be amazed if you do this, and I'm going to encourage you all to do it. And I want to see, when you get your landing page done, come and post it in our Telegram group so that we can see what you did. Okay, we would love to see that you did it, and we would love to pass that on. And then I want to hear about your results. I want to see how it changes. So if you're in our rotator, if you're a lifetime member and you change your capture page to go to your new landing page with the video, we should see more signups for you. Yeah, I know people. I was going to say that I see people in their jogging pants, and I mean, even the kids go to school like that. I'm like, do they not know those are pajamas? Those are not track pants or jogging pants. Those are pajama bottoms. To each their own. All right, that's it for me today. If there are no questions or concerns, wrap it up. My groceries are going to be delivered soon. Isn't that cool? So someone does my shopping while I am on the call. I love that. Well, you guys have been awesome. We'll see you back here next Wednesday. Next week, we are going to be talking about your daily action list, your daily checklist, something that I'm not sure you guys even have. Let's hope you do. How do you get on the rotator? Are you not on the rotator, Betty? I was pretty sure you were. If you're a lifetime member, all I need is your capture page. Well, how are you not on the rotator, Betty? You've been a lifetime member forever. Just get me your capture page, post it to me on Telegram, and I'll get you added to the rotator. We have a special rotator group, and all we ask is that you advertise the rotator link on a regular basis, at least once a week. We have all the instructions in the group, so you'll get all that when I add you. Okay, sounds good. All right, so you get me your page, and I'll get that all set up for you. You guys have been awesome. Thank you for being here. You made my day. And I look forward to seeing you next week when I will be a year older. Whoa. All righty.
Hey.
See you guys. Have a
Bye
great one.
all.